Now I'm going to fill some of the cracks that I found. One of the ways to degrease parts, especially this brake rotor or brake drum that I'm going to be degreasing, and then I'm going to be painting it. One of the ways is use gasoline to clean off the grease. Some people do not like gasoline. The alternative is to use paint thinner. Some people would use different kinds of paint, but the most popular one is spray cans. I don't personally like that idea because paint cans, spray paint cans, the spray paint just washes off, and also it cracks. That's the worst part of it, is that when you thin something so thin, it tends to crack. This is what I'm going to be using, is Rust-Oleum right here. Here's just some of the tools you might need. A crimper and a stripper. This is a crimper and stripper. This one's kind of wore out, so I got a new one. I found out that the newer crimpers and strippers have the crimper down here. This one, I don't like it because the stripper is clear down here. So at least they got a crimper and a stripper. You might need a small screwdriver or a Phillips. You're going to need a wire cutter and needle nose pliers. Okay, here's some of the things you're going to need to do electrical work. These are shrink tube. Connectors. Various sizes. Another box of connectors. And I can see that I'm going to have to get some blue ones. And I'll call them unions. I'm going to need some more unions. It's going to be like this. Two ends to it and you crimp it. So I'm just going to have to go get some. So there's 3 of them. You're going to need wire nuts like this, different kinds, different sizes. This is a new kind of connector, and I'll get a close-up of that. This is a new kind of connector, and the reason why it's new is this is called waterproof, and all you have to do is take this end right here, put heat to it, and it's got shrink tube also. So whether it's waterproof or not, I'm not sure about that, but we'll try it. Here's the end of where this truck camper is going to be, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, right there by the tail light, that's the end of this truck camper. Also over here on this side, that's the other side of it. And I measured that area, and I want that area where this wood is, I want that to fit between this post that I just put there and another one that's going to go over here on this side. It's going to be also very narrow. I've had to put these corner braces in here. I guess they'll work. And I had to notch this whole lot because I got a license plate right there. I notched this so that the license plate can be seen, and then I had to put this corner brace in here also, and then put this and attach it how I did the other framing.